Hey everyone, welcome back to Business Essentials. Today, we're diving deep into affiliate marketing, one of the most accessible ways to start making money online in 2024. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time business, this comprehensive guide will show you exactly how to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys through your unique link. It's a win-win situation. Companies get more sales, and you get a slice of the pie without creating your own product or dealing with customer service and fulfillment. The best part? You can start with zero upfront costs. All you need is an internet connection and the willingness to learn and take action. This makes it an ideal starting point for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of online business. Now, the key to success in affiliate marketing is finding a niche you're passionate about. It could be anything: fitness, technology, personal finance, or even niche hobbies like urban gardening or vintage watch collecting. Ask yourself these important questions. What topics do I enjoy talking about endlessly? What problems can I help solve for others? Is there a market for products in this niche? Are there affiliate programs available in this niche? Remember, passion makes the journey enjoyable, but make sure there's also profit potential in your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends and Amazon's best sellers list to gauge interest in your potential niche. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to join some affiliate networks. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting you with thousands of products you can promote. They handle all the tracking, reporting, and payment processing, making your job much easier. Some popular networks for beginners include Amazon Associates, great for physical products across all categories; ClickBank, focused on digital products and courses; ShareASale, offers a wide variety of both physical and digital products; CJ Affiliate, works with many well-known brands. To join, you'll typically need to provide some basic information and sometimes a website or social media profile. Don't worry if you don't have a website yet. We'll cover that in a moment. When applying, be honest about your promotional methods and your current reach. It's okay to be new. Many programs welcome beginners. Now comes the exciting part: choosing products to promote. This is where your research skills come into play. Look for products that align closely with your niche and audience interests. Have competitive commission rates. Aim for at least 5% for physical products, 30% or more for digital. Are high quality and solve real problems for your audience. Have good customer reviews and low refund rates. Provide helpful marketing materials like banners or email swipes. Don't just go for the highest commission. Your credibility is on the line, so only promote products you believe in. Start with 2 or 3 products and really get to know them inside out. If possible, use the products yourself so you can provide authentic recommendations. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need a platform to reach your audience. This is how you'll attract potential customers and build trust. Your platform could be a blog or website, YouTube channel, social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, email list, podcast. For beginners, I recommend starting with a simple WordPress blog or a YouTube channel. These platforms allow you to create valuable content that attracts your target audience and gives you plenty of opportunities to naturally incorporate your affiliate products. If you're going the website route, choose a domain name related to your niche and invest in reliable hosting. For YouTube, focus on creating high-quality, informative videos that solve problems in your niche. Remember, content is king in affiliate marketing. Focus on providing genuine value and building trust with your audience. This could mean creating how-to guides and tutorials, product reviews and comparisons, industry news and updates, personal stories and case studies. Now that you have your platform and products, it's time to drive traffic and make sales. Here are some effective strategies. Create helpful content that naturally incorporates your affiliate products. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you might write a blog post about 10 essential pieces of home gym equipment and include your affiliate products. Use SEO techniques to rank in search engines. This includes keyword research, on-page optimization, and building quality backlinks. Engage with your audience on social media. Share snippets of your content, respond to comments, and build a community around your niche. Build an email list to nurture relationships with potential customers. Offer a free, valuable resource in exchange for email addresses, then provide ongoing value with occasional promotions. Consider using paid advertising once you're more established. Platforms like Facebook ads or Google ads can help you reach a larger audience quickly. Be patient and consistent. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build trust with your audience and see significant results. Many successful affiliate marketers didn't see their first sale for weeks or even months. Track your results meticulously. Use affiliate network reporting tools and Google Analytics to understand which content and products are performing best. Continuously refine your approach based on this data. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting affiliate marketing in 2024. Remember, success in this field comes from providing genuine value to your audience. Focus on helping people solve real problems, and the money will follow. If you're ready to take your affiliate marketing journey to the next level, don't forget to check out the free webinar in the description below. You'll learn advanced strategies and tips to help you scale your affiliate marketing business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on making money online.